Hey there. Ready to learn a bit about advertising on search engines? We'll cover how advertising on search engines works. That's called SEM, or Search Engine Marketing. We'll explain why it's so effective and how businesses compete to show ads.
It was really interesting when it came to ads, what works and what doesn't. I came from a background of TV where I thought maybe it was a good idea to trade on the career I'd had. But when people are searching for example, a wedding speechwriter, they're looking specifically for someone who can solve that problem. I was looking at the ad performance, which ads were working, and the click-through rate. The ones that were working well were the ones that were servicing a specific need. And I saw that first by running an ad which was titled Last Minute Panic. And that started getting lots of hits because suddenly I'm advertising something that a lot of people are searching for. And they need to see that in the ad and believe in the ad in a split second. So I had to make them a lot more specific and a lot more believable as well.
Imagine you live in the Cotswolds and you're out running errands and you're desperate for a coffee. You pull out your mobile and search Coffee Shop Cotswolds. Now you have a page full of options to consider. Every section on the page, the map, the ads, and the search results, presents various options, and there's quite a few. Some of these results are selected by the search engine's organic formula. These pages are considered the most relevant web pages that the search engine can find for this search query. The other sections are ads. If you compare the ads you see to those in print magazines, you might notice one big difference. Every ad is for a coffee shop. You don't see ads that are for unrelated things, and, interestingly enough, the adverts seem quite similar to the organic results. This is by design, and it's what makes paid search advertising so effective. A search engine's most important job is to show people the results they are looking for, and this extends to the ads. The ads you see complement the search results page, with the ultimate goal of helping a searcher find what they're looking for. So, how exactly does search engine advertising work? There are several models. Let's take a look at one popular option, the text ads you see on a search engine results page. Every time somebody searches, advertisers compete for the opportunity to display ads. It happens in milliseconds, and the searcher won't see the details, only the winners, which are the ads that appear on the page. To decide which ad wins, search engines look at two different factors. These are the bid and the quality. The bid is the maximum amount an advertiser is willing to pay for a click on an ad. If someone clicks on the ad, the advertiser is charged an amount equal to, or sometimes less than, the bid. So, if an advertiser bids £2 for a keyword, that's the most they would pay for a single ad click. If an ad shows on the page but nobody clicks, it doesn't cost the advertiser anything at all. Ideally, bids correspond to the value of the keywords to the business, but the amount is up to each advertiser. Some advertisers may be willing to bid 50p for a keyword. Others may be willing to bid £10. Bid averages vary industry by industry and keyword by keyword. Bids are important, but so is quality. Winning the auction doesn't always hinge on having the highest bid. Search engines reward ads and keywords with strong relevance to the search. In fact, it's possible that relevant ads can win higher spots on the search results page even with lower bids. In some cases, no matter how high a bid, a search engine will not display the ad if it's irrelevant. So, in a nutshell, paid ads offer another way to promote your products and services on search engine results pages. With a search advertising campaign that's well constructed, you can reach customers at the very moment they're looking for what you offer. Want to learn more about SEM? Check out our videos on search advertising.